What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Lahafa to Marable, and today we're out here at the neighborhood pond and we're doing a little catfishing. So stay tuned for this episode of Fishing with Lahafa to Marable. Today's bait is worms, dug locally out our backyard, and chicken liver. So we're gonna see what happens. So stay tuned. See you later.
I got catfish, Dad.
Good job, buddy.
We got a little catfish, Dad.
Hold on. Good job. What's good, people? As you can see, today was very successful. We had a fun time. We caught 5 catfish total, and I would say we probably missed about 7 or 8 catfish today. We had a real good time. My son caught all the catfish. You know, it was just me sitting back putting the bait on and casting her out today. So again, I hope y'all enjoyed this little mini video of me and my son out there fishing today, catching catfish. So stay tuned for the next episode of Fishing with Lahafa to Marable.